y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Tynika, and if you're returning, then thank you for coming back. As you can see by the title, this is going to be a haul. I was going to make it a Shein haul because most of the items are from Shein, but I do have something from Amazon and a few things from Walmart, like 4 things from Walmart or something like that. So we're going to start with this set. This is from Walmart. This is like $19 and some change, and it's from No Boundaries. It's in this, I don't know how the color is coming across on camera, but this is like really chocolatey brown color. I don't know, and I got it in a small 4-6. I am 5'7", like 140 pounds. So yeah, I got it in a small 4-6. And the bottom is just like, it's just like regular leggings at the bottom. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's regular leggings at the bottom. And yeah, got this little hood on the back. A zipper. This zipper actually goes like down and like this, so you can put a little razzle dazzle on it. But yes, I think this is very cutesy. If you don't like Walmart, then this probably not gonna be for you. This ain't for Shein and I don't know, Amazon. But I love Walmart. I feel like it's not what you wear, it's how you wear it. But let me do a little span for y'all so y'all can see how it looks. All right, this is it. Again, I got this in a small 4-6, and I'm 5'7", 140 pounds, roughly. It's not over 140. It's about between 137 and 140. So yeah, this was the first item. Also, I don't know if I said it was No Boundaries, but that's the brand. No Boundaries. Don't sleep on them. Okay, y'all. So next up, we got these camo pants. I got these in a medium. I was going for like a little baggy look, and I'm so glad I did. Y'all, lately I've just been getting into baggy things. Like tight jeans are still cute, but I feel like I only want to wear those at certain times. But for now, that baggy kind of relaxed fit kind of stuff, that's what I'm going for. And I just think these are so cute. I don't even know how much these were, so I'm not even gonna tell y'all. They got these pockets right here. They got pockets down here. Oh yeah, they not fake pockets. Y'all know how sometimes the pockets be kind of fake. They do go all the way down. They're kind of like a wide leg at the bottom. I'm trying to back up so I can show y'all. Wide leg at the bottom. And yeah, these are real cute. I'm gonna do like a styling haul video type of thing. I know I'm saying this all wrong, but I'm gonna do like a video while I style some of these pieces. So stay tuned for that. I think I might have to move my camera so I can show y'all a little more. Give me 1 second. I don't know, can y'all see more like this? I don't know. These are very, very cute. I love these. I can't wait to wear these actually because I've been wanting some of these. I think the last time I had a pair of these and they were like decent was back in 2020. But yeah, these are very cute, y'all. Very, very cute. Go get you some. And I just realized, I forgot to tell y'all about this crop top. This came from Walmart. This thing was like $5. I also have this one in black and gray. I feel like you can never go wrong with colors like black, gray, brown, white, tan. Those colors you can like put on with almost anything. So this came from Walmart. Like I said, I do have it in 2 other colors. Next up is this jacket. It's a little thin. It's a little thin. So this is maybe something that you want to put on to maybe to not keep you warm, but to be cute. Y'all know what I'm saying? Yeah, she almost like paper thin, but that's okay because it's cute. It's cute. And it kind of can low-key go with what I have on. If y'all one of those people that's into like that look where people wear like the camo with like red or something and the black and stuff. But yeah, this is a little thin. It's cute though, so I'm going to keep it. I got this in a medium. I don't know. I probably should have got it in a small, but I'm going to keep it anyway because before I send something all the way back across the ocean, stuff like that, I might as well just keep it. And it doesn't look bad, but here's the back of it. Y'all, I don't even know if anything is on the back. But anyway, that was the back of it. Again, I got this in a medium. I'm struggling to put this on. Lord have mercy. Here is another jacket. I've been looking for an oversized jean jacket because you know how like I have like crop ones and I have one that's up right here. Then I have one that goes all the way down to pretty much the ankles. And I was looking for something kind of like in between. I got this in a small. Is my hair messed up? I feel like it's higher on one side than the other. If anything looks off with the hair, y'all just ignore that. But anyway, I got this in a small, and I actually like it. Like, it stops right where I want it to, like right here. Because sometimes, y'all, when I wear leggings, I be a little, I don't know. I don't know. Because I have hip dips, right, that I don't like. So when I wear leggings, I'm like, okay, maybe I need to wear something to cover everything, because I'm very insecure about the hip dips. Like, they not regular hip dips. Y'all saw in the beginning of the video, they are hip dips. I'm just going to try my best to get comfortable with them, because, I mean, God made me the way that he wanted me to be. So, I mean, let me just roll with that. But yeah, this is very, very cute. It does stop right at the butt, which is what I was looking for. So yeah, this is real cute. Y'all gonna be seeing this soon too. Next up, we got this. Oh, is this making a lot of noise? Let me take this off. Oh God. Unless y'all like ASMR. I don't know. This is really cute. Okay. Very cute. Very, very cute. Put it on your right or your left, however you want. Also, it has it to where you can make it shorter, because maybe you might want your purse to come up a little more, but you can make it shorter. I think this is the first red purse I've bought in so long. So this was needed. I really needed this. But yeah, this is cute. And I don't care what nobody said about a Shein purse. I would rather have $1 million in a Shein purse than $0 in a Louis Vuitton. Period. Also got this other purse, crossbody. Child, why I got this on backwards? Let me fix it. Because I don't know, I just love me a good purse. Y'all know accessories make the outfit. I don't care what nobody says. Accessories make the outfit. This is something really cute. Then it has this right here. I guess you put your little change in or whatever it is. My daughter probably gonna end up stealing this, because every purse I get like this, she steals this part. I don't know why. Quite a bit of space on the inside. Now, I'm not gonna tell you that you can put 2 or 3 bricks in here, but if you just put like your wallet, your lip gloss, I don't know, a few other things, this is it. Don't try to put too much in here, because your stuff, I don't know, you don't want your stuff on the ground. So just keep it cute. I don't even know how much this was, y'all. I wish I could put links or something, but this is really cute. Ooh, and I just realized, y'all, something. Well, first, I got these from Amazon. These were like 90 bucks. But let me get that purse. What y'all think? Do y'all think this is a hit? Would y'all wear this together? Now, I'm not talking about with these pants. I'm just saying these sneakers. What you think? I think it's close enough, because, if the shoe's at the bottom, the purse at the top, by the time you look from where the purse is to the shoe, you look back up, yes, it matches. Am I the only one to do that? But yeah, these shoes were like 90 bucks. I love Steve Madden. I don't know if other people wear Steve Madden or not, but I just go with what I like. I don't care about the trends. If I like it, I'm getting it. I don't care if other people wore it 10 years ago. I'm wearing it today. So, because I know at times I be like, do people still wear this? I'm people. Oh, I'm a person. So at least one person is still wearing it. So there's that. Very cute. This, I like the chunkiness of it. I've just fallen in love with like a chunky shoe lately. And this is it. Oh my God, is it dirty? I only wore the shoe one time. How in the world did I get this dirty? But yeah, Amazon. Oh, a closer look. Next up, y'all, we got these. I honestly thought these were going to be high-waisted, really. But they seem more like a low-rise type of thing. But that's okay, because I can still wear it with a cute sneaker and maybe like a graphic tee or something like that. But they're wide leg, straight leg, whatever they call it. Can y'all see that? Like, it's wide leg. They are cute. They are very comfortable. They feel like regular jeans. But I got these in a medium, I think, a petite medium. So yeah, they're cute. But I honestly thought they were going to be high, because I love something high-waisted. But that's okay. Like I said, because I need to, you know, switch it up a little bit. Not everything needs to be high. Not everything needs to be tight, and so on and so forth. Everything got to be a graphic tee. But yeah, this is what we're working with this. And y'all, don't laugh at these. Y'all, I finally got me some kitten heels. Me out. Just playing. But I finally got me some kitten heels, y'all. But, hear me out. Oh, shoot. Put this over there. Hear me out, y'all. I got these because I saw somebody saying, like, if you wear kitten heels, right, or if you want to wear heels, but maybe you don't really want to wear like a really high heel and you're wearing like a jean like this or something that's wide leg and it goes all the way to the ground, that people won't really notice that it's a kitten heel. So I said, let me try it, because before I would have never been part of nothing like this. Matter of fact, I used to laugh at people that used to wear kitten heels when I was younger, but I'm so sorry, y'all. I now see why y'all were wearing them. Let me try these on. Don't lie. Okay. Okay, y'all. This kind of cute. You see, I got a little taller, and I'm. I don't know about y'all, but when I hear people walking and I hear that sound, I feel like they mean business. Like boom, boom, These kind of cute. These kind of cute. Let me put the camera down so I can show y'all. The point. Boom. Boom. Very cute. Ooh. Ooh. This shirt just got me feeling like her, y'all. So this, I don't know if you can tell on camera, but it's a black, well, clearly it's black, but it's mesh. Like, you can slightly see through it. Ooh. Ooh. I really feel like her with this. I haven't had a mesh anything in so long, but this is real cute. And I used to think like anytime you put on mesh, it don't look that good or look a little tacky, but no. You can dress this up. You can, I feel like you can dress this up or you can dress this down. Like with these shoes right here. But with the right jean, like the jean being long enough, this could be your look right here. And throw this on, yeah. You're gonna be her. Or you can make it an all black look. You know you mean business when you're in all black. But this is really cute. So this is the black one, just like the red one. Exactly like the red one, because I needed a new black purse so bad. I know the other black purse hated to see me coming. Very cute though. Yes, and it kind of feel like this purse and these shoes were meant to go together. I'm gonna make them go together. Boom. With this, get you some silver jewelry on. Right now I have on gold. I don't know if y'all can see it, and it's just everywhere. Get you some silver stuff on though, and you in the game. Can't nobody tell you nothing, okay? And I think I got one last thing. No, I'm lying. I got necklaces the same in silver and gold, because every so often, let's be real, like if you get your jewelry from Shein, I mean, I always keep mine for a little while, but then I end up why would I do that? Then I end up switching. So yes, I got the gold and the silver, so expect to see some good stuff coming. Now I think I have one last thing. Hopefully I'm not lying again. This is the last thing. You can never, ever go wrong with a little black dress. Yes, a little black dress will take a look from 0 to 100. Like if you get a little black dress, you can put it on with almost anything. Like I will put this on with some thigh-high boots. You can put it on with anything. Some people put on sneakers with dresses. You can never go wrong with a little black dress. But I got this in a small, and it is so stretchy. Like y'all, I probably could have got this in an extra small. Like it's so stretchy. Look at all of this. So stretchy. Long sleeve, a little turtleneck action, which I think is very classy, by the way. Be eating the girls up when you ain't even gotta do much. That's the type of looks I'm going for all year. Like eating them up, but not doing much. Looking like I ain't put in a whole lot of effort, but not raggedy. Let's be clear. Just effortlessly eating them up. That's what I'm going for. But yes, let me back up some. It stops. Well, you can pull it down further if you want to. You can pull it up some if you want, however you want to do it. I'm trying to back up so y'all can see. Can y'all see? You can put on so many things. You can put on this. Hold on. I don't know if people are into looks like this. Put this jacket on with it, with a sneaker. I don't know. Maybe you could put on this other jacket. I don't know how y'all feel about this, but a little black boot or something. I don't know. Just very cute. I think that's everything I had to show. Oh, and let's not forget these necklaces. These came from Walmart. Again, I love Walmart. Never going to stop going to Walmart no matter how much money I get. But anyway, this is the end of this haul. I hope y'all enjoyed it. It wasn't nothing too crazy. Everything together probably cost maybe, from Walmart, Shein, and Amazon, everything was maybe $300. The shoes were $90. maybe 300, because I think the shein order came up to 187. That was with like the $13 shipping. Then the shoes were 90, and then the walk. Let's just say about $300, which is not a lot in my opinion for everything that you get. Because you know how some websites you go to, $300, 2 things, 3 things tops. And I don't know about y'all, but I like to stretch my money out. I'm gonna ball on a budget until the day that I die. Like, seriously. But I hope y'all enjoyed this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And like I said, I will be styling some of these pieces. It'll probably be in the short form way, because who needs a 10-minute video just to put one outfit together? That is absolutely insane. But yes, thank y'all for watching, and I will see y'all next time. Bye.